In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a car through Facebook Marketplace. Let's dive in. First things first, to begin your search for a car on Facebook Marketplace, open the Facebook app or access it via your desktop. Once you're there, find the Marketplace tab. This is a treasure trove of car listings that you can explore. Using the search bar, type in the car model, the brand you're interested in, or simply use the keyword cars to start your hunt. After entering your search criteria, utilize the available filters to narrow down your options. You can filter by location to select a nearby area, set a price range to fit your budget, and even choose specifications like year, mileage, transmission, and fuel type to ensure you find exactly what you're looking for. Once you find a potential listing, it's crucial to carefully review it. Look closely at the photos provided. These should include clear images of the interior, exterior, the engine, and the odometer. Read through the description meticulously, checking if the car comes with updated registration, insurance, and details of any recent maintenance. Verify the VIN or plate number if it's provided, and compare the listed price with the average market value to ensure you're getting a fair deal. When you're satisfied with the listing, it's time to contact the seller. Ask pertinent questions such as when the last maintenance was performed and whether the official receipt and certificate of registration are clean and truly under their name. This is crucial for ensuring that there are no legal issues with the vehicle. Next, arrange a meeting with the seller to inspect the car. Choose a public and safe location like a mall parking lot or a police station, and aim to do this inspection during daylight hours. Bringing along a mechanic friend can be incredibly beneficial. They'll help you check critical components like the engine, brakes, transmission, and under chassis. Also, check for odometer consistency relative to wear and tear and be vigilant for any signs of previous accidents or flood damage. Now let's talk paperwork. Ensure that the official receipt and certificate of registration match the seller's name. For secondhand cars, it's important to verify the deed of sale and check that all taxes and fees are up to date. Confirm that the car has no open cases, unpaid loans, or encumbrances. When it comes to negotiating and making a payment, always negotiate based on what you find during the inspection. Avoid making full cash payments on the spot. Instead, consider bank transfers or meet at a bank for any large payments. Never pay without seeing the car and all related legal documents. Once a deal is agreed upon, finalize the sale by signing a deed of sale alongside the seller. Make sure that you have at least 2 or 3 signed and notarized copies. Don't forget to secure all keys, the spare tire, tools, and any receipts. Finally, always be cautious. Steer clear of deals that seem too good to be true, and never send deposits to strangers. Prefer to deal with sellers who have well-established Facebook profiles rather than newly created ones. That's all for today. Follow these steps to ensure a safe and smooth car buying experience on Facebook Marketplace. Happy car shopping.